Hello students. In the last class we have discussed about skeletal tissues such as bone and cartilage and about connective tissue propers such as tendons and ligaments. Tendon is the connective tissue proper which helps in the attachment of bone with the muscle, or tendon is the connective tissue proper which binds the muscles with the bone. Whereas the ligament is the another connective tissue proper which binds bone to bone. That means it binds one bone with another bone. The remaining two connective tissue proper are areolar connective tissue and adipose tissue. Areolar connective tissue and adipose tissue are the two more connective tissue proper. Connective tissue proper means these are the connective tissues which are having jelly-like matrix. Connective tissues having jelly-like matrix made up of complex chemicals and three different types of fibers such as white fiber or collagen fibers, yellow fibers or elastin fibers and reticular fibers. White collagen, yellow elastin and reticular fibers are the three types of fibers present in the matrix of the connective tissue proper. In this class, let us discuss about the structure and functions of areolar connective tissue and adipose connective tissue. First, let us discuss about the structure of areolar connective tissue. See, this is the diagrammatic view of areolar connective tissue. Areolar connective tissue is simple connective tissue and it is typical one. In case of areolar connective tissue, semi-fluid jelly-like matrix is present. Semi-fluid jelly-like matrix is present in case of areolar connective tissue. The different types of fibers and different types of cells are present in the matrix of the areolar connective tissue. Means, see, this is the matrix of the areolar connective tissue which contains different types of fibers and different types of cells. The different types of fibers present in the areolar connective tissue are white collagen fiber, then yellow elastin fiber, and one more is reticular fiber. White collagen fiber, yellow elastin fiber, and one more is reticular fiber. These are the three types of fibers present in the areolar connective tissue. Whereas the different types of cells present in the areolar connective tissue includes fibroblast, macrophages, plasma cells, mast cells. Fibroblast, macrophages, plasma cells and mast cells are the different types of cells present in the matrix of areolar connective tissue. These areolar connective tissues are present inside the organs, around blood vessels, around muscles and around nerves, and below the skin as subcutaneous tissue. Areolar connective tissue present inside the organs, around blood vessels, around muscles and around nerves, below the skin as subcutaneous tissue, and it is joining various structures. Areolar connective tissue is joining various structures like muscles with skin. The important functions of areolar connective tissues. Important functions of areolar connective tissue are: one is packing, means areolar connective tissue provides packing material in various organs. It provides packing material in various organs. Areolar connective tissue binds various structures. It binds or it joins or helps in attachment of various structures with one another in such a way as to prevent their dislocation during limited movement. Means it helps in binding of various structure with one another. Areolar connective tissue provides covering over nerves, muscles and blood vessels. It provides covering over nerves, muscles and blood vessels. It also provides materials for the repair of injury. So these are the important functions of areolar connective tissue. Next one is adipose tissue. It is the another connective tissue proper. Adipose tissue. Adipose tissue is specialized to store fat in the body. It is this tissue which stores fat in the body. In the adipose tissue, fat gets stored in the cells called adipocytes. Adipocytes are the cells of the adipose tissue in which the storage of fat takes place. These adipocytes here, these are the adipocytes. Adipocytes are large cells with one or more fat globules. See, this is the fat globule. Here in this adipocyte, only one fat globule is present. It contains one or more fat globules and a peripheral cytoplasm is present. Cytoplasm is present at periphery with nucleus at one end. Means the cells of the adipose tissue is called as adipocyte. Adipocyte contains fat stored globules, peripheral cytoplasm and having single nucleus at the peripheral cytoplasm, or at one end of the peripheral cytoplasm nucleus is present. And adipose tissue is also having soft jelly-like matrix. It is also having jelly-like matrix, living cells such as fibroblast, mast cells, macrophages, which are also present in areolar connective tissue. The same cells, fibroblast, mast cells and macrophages are also present, and plasma cells are also present in adipose tissue, and it contains two types of fibers such as white collagen fibers and yellow elastin fibers. Yellow elastin fibers and white collagen fibers are present in adipose tissue. But in case of areolar connective tissue, three types of fibers such as collagen fibers, elastin fibers and reticular fibers are present. But in case of adipose tissue, only two types of fibers such as collagen fibers and elastic fibers are present. The important functions of adipose tissue. Functions of adipose tissue. The main function is storage of fat. Adipose tissue is a storage tissue which contains fat globules, or in the fat globules fat gets stored. Then another function is shock absorption. Means adipose tissue forms shock absorbing cushions around important organs. It forms shock absorbing cushions around important organs. And it also provides insulation. It also provides insulation. Mainly these adipose tissues are present in subcutaneous region. Adipose tissues are present in subcutaneous region. That means cushion around ears, heart, kidneys, blood vessels, etc. They are present in subcutaneous region and cushions around ears, heart, kidneys, blood vessels, etc. So this is about connective tissue proper and about connective tissues. Thank you.